my tutorial for a red, white, and blue Merica PEEKABOO Glitter Tumbler. I already sanded and prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and white spray paint. Now we're ready to add our glitter. I'm using my usual epoxy method to add my glitter, but add your glitter any way that's comfortable or easiest for you. I have been obsessed with vertical ombres lately, and this design is no exception. I'll be adding the chunkier glitters first, then adding the smaller cut glitters to help blend in my chunky glitters for a nice blended look. When you're done, be sure to save your overcast glitter. We may be using this custom mix for a tumbler next week, and if not, it's still a super cute mix, perfect for Independence Day. Let this glitter layer cure, then seal your glitter with a clear spray and epoxy till smooth. Then we'll be ready to add our stencils. For my Merica stencil, I decided to place it like the spine of a book, but if you want to do it differently, go for it. you're finished adding your stencils, spray paint your tumbler with white spray paint, then let it completely dry. Then pull up your stencil. I won't be doing a double glittered peekaboo this time around, so I won't be using my glue gun. But if you'd like to go that route. Which one is it, y'all? I don't know. Anyways, remember to add something to your stencil so you can find it under your glitter later. For this layer of epoxy, I wanted to add some bling and added diamond into my leftover epoxy and placed the glitter sparingly all over. Who am I kidding? Sparingly? I put that glitter everywhere, y'all. Do what you like, though. Y'all, it's sparingly. Right. Let cure, then we'll be ready for another coat of epoxy. And for this layer, I wanted to add more red and blue, so I added Matador and Starry Night into my epoxy, but instead of adding it all over like I did with diamond, I only added it from the top to about 3/4 of the way down. It reminds me of the sparks that fall when you're watching fireworks. Let this layer cure, then we'll be ready to add the rest of our decals. My tumbler was smooth after that epoxy coat, but if you need another coat to make sure your tumbler is smooth, be sure to do it so your decals don't look bumpy. Seal your vinyl till your tumbler is nice and smooth, let cure, and then you'll be all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your red, white, and blue Merica, Peekaboo glitter tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.